a lot of fresh fish, oyster. Oh my God, the oyster in Chicago is too expensive. Just one like this costs you about $1.50 each. Oh my God, I don't know how much it costs right now, but one oyster, which I love to eat, is $1.50 each. Oh my God! Just imagine, in the Philippines we eat by bañeras, right? Bañeras or a small can, and it's very good. It's the oyster is good for to prevent gout. Not gout. What do you call this for the neck? Yeah, it prevent it. Once you eat seafood, you are you almost free from this disease. Okay, disease of the neck or the throat. So yeah. So I hope you could continue watching my video in the next few days because we are going to move to another house, which will be permanently, and I'll be there going for gardening, little swimming because I could hardly walk, and swimming is one of the best uh, natural treatment for me like me because I have problem with my walking because of a hip arthritis and knee, and most of the time I fall. That's the reason why I'm going to have some kind of exercise maybe tonight, which I could put it on the video too. Okay, I hope you see again maybe on my next vlog, and don't forget to subscribe, uh, likes, you make comment, and share this video. Okay? I hope you will like it and you're not bothered by this short video because I wanted to take it short time. Thank you very much. In the Philippines, mabuhay. Here in the United States, good morning. God bless us all in the state. Okay? And in other countries, in Canada, Australia, in Egypt, Middle East country, most especially in Taiwan, where there are so many there, Filipinos working there in Taiwan. Hi guys, and also in Latino countries, in Mexico, in Spain, in Europe. Thank you very much for watching me here. I invite you to visit my YouTube channel, Cap Freddy Legaspi. God bless us all. Have a good day. Bye.